Holders, how are you? Hope you are fine. Now friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, once again I'm talking about the Ecomi. What is the current price of Ecomi? What's the price changes occurring in the Ecomi? And again, I'm present with the latest update of the Ecomi, so keep watch this video till the end, friends, because in this video I'm talking about the very urgent update of the Ecomi, friends. Anyways friends, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video, friends. Let's move on and let's start the video, friends. So friends, if we look the currently latest price of the Ecomi, so you can see here 0.002391 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Ecomi. And on the other side, if we look the price changes occurs in the Ecomi, so you can see here that the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change as positive, friends. The last 1 hour and last 1 day price change as positive. And on the other side, if we look the last 1 week price change, so the last 1 week price change is negative. Oh my god, what's going? This means that the previous time changes occur. The previous days, the previous days, and the previous days, the Ecomi price is going down. But now, if we look the currently condition from the yesterday, the Ecomi start moving upward. The price of the Ecomi is going upward from the yesterday. So I hope that they will continue this move throughout this whole month, friends, and they will give us a good amount of profit in the last of this month, friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Ecomi. You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart. You can see here last 1 month price chart, last 4 weeks. And if we look the price chart, so you can see here from this point the falling period of the Ecomi are start now, and you can see here the whole month the price of the Ecomi is fast down. You can see here, and if I zoom it, the last 1 day price change, so you can see here that the last 1 day the quick jumps occur in the Ecomi. You can see here, look at this point, friends. Let me zoom it. You can see here now absolutely the quick jumps occur in the Ecomi, so that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, friends, because my prediction about Ecomi is that that is the continuity and that is the biggest jump of the Ecomi, friends. And I'm sure that they will continue this jump for a long time, friends. That is why I recommend for everyone who's holding Ecomi that it's time to hold, friends. This jump is just the beginning. The big jump, the big pump of the Ecomi are coming soon, so wait for it, friends. And my prediction about Ecomi is 100% positive, and I believe that they will give us a good amount of profit in the last of this month, friends. If you look the last 1 month price change, so as I show you in the start of this video, that the price is going down from the previous last 1 month, friends. Negative 56.42% price changes occur in the Ecomi in the last 1 month, and 0.007459 USD dollar is the latest highest price of the Ecomi in the last 1 month, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Ecomi? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.